Here's an intro to the audit log at Puzzle. We believe that transparency and auditability is one of the key steps to accurate books. So you'll see many places in which you can access the audit log. From here under accounting, you click on audit log. From there, you'll see the audit log. Of course, there's the preset filters. You can filter by the type of activity, the user, or who the action was performed by. And you'll see a set of custom columns. The date, who the user is, in this case, it's my account, so you'll see a lot of my name here, performed by user, or if you use our AI Close or Cowork or chat, you can see in some cases actions will be taken on behalf of the user, Sasha, via AI. You can see the item type that happened, a little bit of description, and then go into more detail. And so the goal here is that almost every action that you can think of is logged and recreated. If you need to review, edit, delete, or revise anything, it should be quite easy. If this is for a firm, you can see this works across all of your different portfolio companies or clients pretty easily by being able to swap and swip right inside of the app.